Mastering the present perfect tense, the power of regular verbs. Hello there! Today we're going to dive deep into the wonderful world of the English language. Our focus for this session will be the present perfect tense of regular verbs, specifically within the context of affirmative sentences. Don't worry if you're not sure about what these terms mean yet. We'll break everything down step by step. Before we go any further, let's talk about the present perfect tense. This is a tense used to talk about actions that have happened at an unspecified time before now. The exact time is not important. What is important is that the event or action happened, or didn't happen. In the present perfect, the emphasis is on the result or consequences of the action. It's formed using have, has plus the past participle of the verb. For regular verbs, the past participle is made by adding ed to the base verb. An affirmative sentence in the present perfect tense states that an action has happened. Here's the structure for these sentences. Subject plus have, has plus past participle. For example, 1. I have traveled to Spain. 2. She has worked in that company for 5 years. 3. They have lived here since 2010. Remember, have is used with I, you, we, and they. Has is used with he, she, and it. As mentioned, the past participle of regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the base verb. Let's look at some examples. 1. Work, worked. 2. Play, played. 3. Finish, finished. Here's how they look in sentences. 1. I have worked for 8 hours today. 2. We have played soccer every day this week. 3. He has finished his homework. And there we have it. By now, you should be more comfortable using the present perfect tense of regular verbs in affirmative sentences. Remember, the key here is practice. The more you use these, the more natural they will feel. So keep practicing, keep experimenting with new sentences, and, as always, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. Until next time, happy studying!